How do you find data on Fred? Lots of ways you can use the search bar. I personally don't like that. You could Google, Perplexity, etc. You can check by category. You could check by release calendar. Or what I want to talk about is searching by release. So here's the motivation. Um, Suppose you're deep diving in the CPI report because you're a nerd like me, and this is the way that you have fun, and you're on table one in the most recent CPI report from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. And maybe you're in the packaged food industry and you're studying that industry and you want to look at pricing, maybe for COGS or maybe for unit pricing. And you see, all right, over here, I have importance measures, index levels, percentage change. That's a measure of like inflation, but I'm thinking about monthly iterations. So I want to use this seasonally adjusted percentage changes. The most recent data point is October, so September to October. The one before that, August to September. The one before that, July to August. These are rounded to, that one decimal point. I want more than just those last 3 months. I want a more complete series to see the recent evolution. Where does it fit in the grand context? I can't click on this. This is not hyperlinked. This is just, look up here, just a static PDF. We can use Fred. So let's go over here. Uh, Easiest way to find the CPI, for example, is just that's not what I want, right? That's not the series. That is not cereals and bakery products. So what do I do? Go back to the front page, search by release. Now, every release that Fred has is listed in here, and it's listed alphabetically. We know the overall category is consumer prices. So A's, B's, C's, CO, consumer price index. Okay, wow. Now, your natural instinct might be to just start scrolling, 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 but there are dozens and dozens of these line items. So there's two big subheadings here, expenditure by category or special aggregate indices. Which one do I choose? Let's go back to where I'm looking. Expenditure category. Perfect. All right, let's click on that. City average, BLS regional, metro. Which one do I pick? Each one has like 200, 800. I got to be careful. Which one do I pick? Look at the title. U.S. city average. Cool. Got that. U.S. city average. Seasonal monthly, non-seasonal monthly, semi-annual, non-seasonal. Which one do I pick? Go back. Well, remember the story we were telling? I'm looking at the seasonally adjusted change month to month. I just want it over a longer horizon than what's available on the PDF. So monthly, seasonally adjusted. Now, as you saw, there were 77 of these. So you can just start scrolling. But what's beautiful about it is it's organized in the same way that the source table is organized. All items, food, food at home, cereal. All items, food at home, cereal. Love it. So there's your cereals and beverage and bakery products. Let's click on that. And that's the index level. Now, notice this is seasonally adjusted. The index level you see here is unadjusted, so they're not going to match. For example, cereal and bakery products, October 359.007. That's the unadjusted. 358. They don't match. They're not supposed to match because these are different indices. What is it we're trying to get? Go back. We're trying to get the seasonally adjusted percentage change month to month, period to period. So edit graph, edit line, dialog box pops up. Go to units and then percentage change. Let's zoom in. 1. The most recent data point is 1, or you can click right there. 0.96015 rounded up to 1. Let's see if that matches. Yes, you just used Fred's release option to mimic and track down data that you find in a data release available through the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Great way to search for data to verify what you have. Hope that helps.